In a galaxy far, far away, we see a trade place with two partners looking for customers in the middle of the desert.
I don't see any customers.
You just have to wait. They'll come soon.
Wait. It's more than 6 weeks.
I'm not hearing any ideas from you.
Oh, shut up, potato chip.
Did you just tell me to shut up?
Yes, I did. What are you going to do about it?
Well, you just got yourself a one-way ticket to Beatdown City.
Whoa, 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 guys, hold your horses, my ladies. You guys are fighting for no reason. We have one solution. The Indian Ocean Basin!
Wowzers!
You see, you guys basically go to a merchant's paradise.
Wow. Wait, but how do we know we can trust you?
Yeah. All you have to do is ask one of my finest customers.
Am I satisfied? Absolutely. Going to the Indian Ocean Basin has been the best decision I've ever made. Muhammad Okansi is a chillax leader, and if you like cropping, the Indian Ocean Basin is for you because we get monsoons.
Wow, can you believe that? Straight fact.
Wow, this is sounding more and more interesting. Who else can confirm that?
Many other customers, for example,
I moved to the Indian Ocean Basin to sell my goods. But ever since, I have converted to Islam, and now I am very happy with myself. Thank you, Indian Ocean Basin.
Well, if those two can have happiness, so can I. I'm going to the Indian Ocean Basin.
yeah!